Hi everyone, it's Kiana Kearney. Welcome back with Procreate Basics Part 2. Layers enable you to non-destructively draw under or over different aspects of your design. As you can see here, I'm drawing on a separate layer under the circle, and moving that layer above the circle makes it non-visible. Clipping masks are very similar. You need a separate layer on top of whatever you're clipping. Change that layer to a clipping mask, and then whenever you draw on the layer that goes over, it only draws within the lines that you drew on the bottom layer, if that makes any sense. So I have a circle on the bottom layer, and when I draw on the clipping mask on the top layer, it doesn't go outside of the circle. Alpha lock is for drawing inside of lines on the same layer. So this circle, I'm drawing on the same layer, but it won't let me draw outside of the circle. I have to turn alpha lock off, as you just seen, for me to be able to draw outside of it. Now, if I turn alpha lock back on after that, I can then go and draw inside of those lines that I already drew in on the first layer. Now, as you can see, I did stay in the lines, but it's still all on the same layer, which is why I prefer clipping masks, because I'll show you as I change the color here. Clipping mask is on a separate layer, so you can turn that layer on and off just in case you make any mistakes. That's the end of the tutorial. Bye!